Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I got the Apple Watch Series 7 and I'm going to unbox it. So let's just pull this tab right here. Alright, it looks like the tape didn't really rip off perfectly, but either way we can just kind of cut through this and lift it up like this. And here is the watch. Well, the box for the watch. So the watch that I got was a 45mm Series 7 watch, and this one's just GPS, it's not the cellular one, and it comes in the green color. So it's a little dusty, but on the back it says a Series 7. I got the green aluminum case, and it comes with the Sequoia green leather link. But either way, let's open this up with this little tab. Trying not to rip it, but I did a little bit. And we'll take off this one as well. And it kind of folds out like this, and you can see all these different watch designs. It's pretty cool. But here's the watch, and here's the leather link band. I got the green one, like I said. Open this up. There's a little documentation. Doesn't really matter. And then here is the actual watch band itself. Now it's kind of hard to see, but it's like a dark green. And it's magnetic, so that's kind of cool. But here's the watch. Let's pull these tabs off. And open the box. Okay, these boxes kind of suck, so you just have to kind of open it up. But here's the watch, documentation, and the charger. So here's the documentation that they give you. They don't give you a sticker, obviously, but they tell you about how the watch works and some safety information. Let's put that back, and then here is the wireless charger, and it's a USB-C for fast charging, even though it technically doesn't need that. But we can put that back in the box, and here is the watch. This little paper cover comes off, but I like to keep it in perfect condition, so I'm just going to slide the watch out. And here's the watch. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this tempered glass screen protector case over it. I ordered a different one, but just for now, I don't want to scratch this. I already had one before and scratched the screen within a week of owning it, so yeah, that's not fun. Anyways, we can put this band on, kind of clicks in like this, and then this other one clicks in as well. And it only goes on one way, so you can't really mess it up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The battery is low, so I can't really pair it to my phone. Also, I'm recording off the phone that I would pair it to. But either way, that's the unboxing and how the watch that I ordered looks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on the socials listed above. And as always, thanks for watching.